Dooby-dooby-doo. 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 Mwah, mwah, mwah. I am the baddest. I am the baddest. I am the baddest. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You know I'm back with another Marc Jacobs tote unboxing, cause that is my favorite kind of purse. Ignore my pajamas. I am a pregnant woman, so I prefer to be comfy. All right, let's get right into it. So Marc Jacobs dropped their lunar collection, right? And Year of the Rabbit, right? And I just called my name. From the moment it dropped on their website, I was just like, I got to have it. I needs to have it. I want it. I want it. So you know, I got it. I got it. Now, it's not giving traditional Marc Jacobs packaging with the yellow insides, but we shall see. Not to mention, my package is kind of beat. Not my address. My package is kind of beat up. So we gonna see. Trusty knife right here, and let's get into it, guys. Ta-da! All right. Slice and dice them. Slice and dice them. Slice and dice them. I lied. It is a traditional yellow packaging. Yes, because I ordered from my website. Yes. Okay. Let's pop her out. Let's pop her out as well. And skadoosh to the box. Skadoosh. All right. So let's get into this paperwork. Okay, if I want to return it, I'm not gonna. Boom. What I bought and how much it was. Let's see. Interesting. This has absolutely nothing on it. Like, absolutely no pricing, no item description, no nothing. Just that I paid with the Visa. Marc Jacobs. But you know, I'm not gonna complain. I'm not gonna complain. All right. Now let's get through this paper. Pop, 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 pop. It's giving rabbit. It's giving little bunny honey. You know what I'm saying? It's giving, oh my God, so soft, so lovely, so fluffy. It's giving pillow. It's giving pillow. All right. Let's get into it. Knife away. Okay. Is this my strappa-dappa? Or is this just paper? Because, yeah, this is just paper. And I'm just a little confused on that because y'all could have kept all this paper. Like, unnecessary. Let's pop these straps open. Let's pop it open. Ain't no joking. Rip it off, Hulk Hogan. Like your name, Hulk Hogan. And I moved around. Lucky for me, I used to work at a store as like a retail store as a stalker. So like, I can get into this bag. I know how to get into them. All right. Oh my God. Guys, ignore me and my bad knife safety, okay? I got this. Focus on yourself. And this back. Ooh, because I'm coming real close. Let me sit this down. I'm coming real close to my face, huh? Oh, boom. Strap-a-dapple. Gotta stay strapped when I hit the club. Got that. Ooh. We got a dust bag. You know, I did not get a dust bag in my last tote. Maybe the tote has to cost a certain amount of money for you in order for you to get a dust bag. By the way, $4.50. Beautiful. Love a monogram Marc Jacobs dust bag. Toss that to the side because we gotta get into the goods. A lot of paper. A lot of paper. A lot of paper. No, I'm not going to flex. This is kind of big. It's really giving medium. It's really giving the medium-sized totes. And I think it's supposed to be a mini. Definitely bigger than your traditional mini. Not going to flex. Not going to lie. Loving it. Loving it. Let's undo this. Ooh, nice little pretty leather accent. This brown and creamy brown. It's just giving luxurious. Luxurious. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's get into this inside game, right? All right, boom. Let me pop her open for you. Boom, so we got our one little pocket right here, the little Marc Jacobs logo on it, and then boom, if you flip that up, you got a little zipper pocket at the top. Yeah. Ooh, something's in there. Authentication. More authentication. Love that. Love that. Love it. Beautiful. There's no traditional, like on the traditional. Ooh, there's like little leather accents from the straps. You see that throughout that rampant, rampito, rampant. On this side too. Yeah. 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 No. Yeah. No. Yeah, yeah, awesome. Beautiful. Let's cut this part off too. Awesome, possum. Love that, love that. Okay, so back to that pocket. So you have a little zipper pocket on the inside as well as your traditional big pocket. Love that. Thank you, Marc Jacobs, for putting pockets in your purse, because some of them don't come with pockets. And we are women and we need pockets, okay? Let's bust open into this strap. Because I do believe the strap matches the bag. And I love me a matching strap. Love me a little matching strap. It definitely does look at it. The same pretty little creamy brown with the nice creamy brown leather details. Let's hook her on up. Where's my little hooks? Ooh, it's kind of hidden in the fur. Ooh. Oh, it had paper on it. Plug that one in. Let's come over here to this side. Pop that off. And we're going to plug this one in. Ooh, yes. It is a look. It is a vibe. It is 2023 year of rabbit. Year of rabbit. What sounds do rabbits make? Year of rabbit. And this is new. This is new. I have a bunch of the totes. Never came with this little strap piece, and it says Marc Jacobs on it. Super cute. I am in love. It's perfect for, you know, the winter time that is supposed to be coming up in Texas and I guess around America, because our winter now falls in January, February, March timing. I truly love it. Let me get you some up close action. Oh, and then nice little leather bottom right there to hold her secure. Hold her secure. Sturdy. We like that. Beautiful. Oh, yes. Get into it. I'm noticing, and I think you're noticing too, these little shedding at the bottom. Now, I don't know in the long run if that's going to be an issue. I really hope not. But yeah, so I'm pretty sure I can just like take it off or whatever. It's quite a lot. So I guess she sheds or whatever the case may be. So there's that. But outside of that, I'm in love. She looks good. I guess I can go through with some scissors and just cut off all the extra sheddy pieces. I'm truly in love. I'll give you a whole little spin of the bag again. It doesn't have any like traditional Marc Jacobs logos on it or whatever the case may be. You know, they usually have the tote bag on it or whatever. This bag is everything in a bag of chips. I am truly in love. Happy I made the purchase. Once again, it's $4.50. It's supposed to be a mini, but like I said, it's getting a little bigger than the traditional mini. It's actually giving like, it's giving like the medium size. Can my head fit in this? Yeah. So it's giving the medium size, which I can adore and I can love. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my God, she's everything. Thank you so much for joining me on this unboxing of my new Marc Jacobs You're the Rabbit tote bag. Enjoy your day.